Welcome back to Dadtech&rc. It's a nice calm evening here out of the lake, so we're going to do a few runs with the FT009 now that it's a bit calmer than the other day, and see whether it runs right with the weight change and stuff that we've done. We've moved the speed controller slightly further back again, and we'll see how it goes. So we've just now adjusted the throttle trim, see if we can get a little bit more out of it. Just managed to tweak a smidge, so I shall get it running.